Right now, I'm often asked, what is the easiest way to start trading without those fancy strategies or even analyzing the charts? So what I've decided to do is try PU Prime's copy trading facility as a complete beginner. Never tried copy trading before, and this is how I got on. So I decided to try PU Prime's copy trading feature as a complete beginner and to see if this really works. Right now, what I want to show you first is the easy process of joining, okay? So you can simply click on that sign up button. It will take you over to this screen, open live account. Then we're going to put our first name, email, password, referral code if you have one. Click on create account and then it will be dead easy done, okay? So I'm just going to fill in those details and show you the next screen. Right now, once you've done that, you're going to be redirected to the dashboard. Okay, now what I want to do is head on over to my phone to show you the copy trading facility because it's actually really simple and available on your phone. Right now, once you're in your mobile device, you will be shown this screen. As you can see at the top, I've got a copy trade, a live account and a demo. What we want to do is click on the copy trading account. Once you've done that, it's going to redirect you to this screen. Now, what you can see at the front is the trader dashboard, okay? So you've got most copied, you've got highest annual return, low risk and stable return, and then a little bit about the symbols at the bottom. Now, what I want to show you is I want to go to most copied. Why? Because if they're most copied, and don't forget we're doing this as a beginner, if they are most copied, it normally means that they are doing very, very well. Okay, so what we can see at this very top one, top return, top gain, return 54.40%, risk is 4. So what we're going to do is click on that and then have a look at their returns. Okay, so this is the chart. Obviously, this is on the daily. So the return yield today, year to date, is 152.66. Max daily return is 89% in a day. So this is what you've got to pay attention to. Obviously, you made 1.8% there, made a 2.6 loss, and then has been on a little bit of a daily loss. But obviously in trading, it all amounts up over the month. Okay, so this is a month risk band. Max drawdown is 38.94% in a daily. Monthly is 33.53, and the year is 0. Active copy, as you can see, it did peak at 150 and then went down to 139. Now, copy asset under management is this one, which obviously means the sum of all equities of copiers that copy a strategy. Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now, it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages, and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now, no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers, and business data fast. Now, with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable, and insanely powerful. Now, check out that link down below and let's jump back into the video. So we can see currently, if we click on this one, there is currently $22,734 across those people, all copying this trader's stats. Now, as we look here, total trades is 448. That's Forex 237. Win rate is a massive just under 90%. Frequently trade is Bitcoin XAG, which is silver, and Euro USD, which is a Forex pair. He actually has 36 trades, 100% win rate, which is unreal. Now, settlement frequency is daily. Average holding time is 81 hours. Trades per week is 19. So this one would be what they call a day trader to a swing trader, because 81 days is a long time. Now, if we go back, I'll just briefly go through another one. Gold is always a huge favorite. But what you can also do is do copies, and then you can do return high to low. Now, this obviously might be a good one. For example, this one, Nata, copies 11, risk 1. He's made an 86,966% return. But as a beginner, we don't want to be doing that. What I want to do is aim for a high win rate. Why is this? Is because we basically want to get that win rate. Okay, so this guy has 100% win rate. He's got 7 copies. He's only had 1 a day, and he's made 8,100% on XAU USD. Okay, so that was a huge trade he did, and he held that for over 3 hours. and that's obviously just in the 1 day. But you get the grasp of it. Once you want that, you want to click on that copy button, and then it will redirect you where you can make all the adjustments you need. Right now, if we go back to the front page, we're going to go for that top game one. He's made a nice steady return of 54. What you then want to do is click on copy. Once you've done copy, you then get to choose your investment. Obviously, the available investment for me is $500. If you're a risky person, you could put the 599 in, and then used credit is 0, used balance is that, risk management is stop loss 35%. Lot roundup basically means that it will round it up to the nearest whole number, and copy open trades means that any trades open now, it will automatically add. I do not want to do that, because if they're already in a drawdown, it will chuck you in further in a drawdown as well. But that's all you have to do. Then you click on that submit button, and that's it. You will be taking home all of those trades that these copy traders are doing. Right, now what I want to do is talk about the pros and cons of this. Okay, so what I wanted to say first and foremost is it's easy to use. For non-traders, it is going to be a walk in the park. You simply come on an app, pick the trade that you want, copy, submit, done. A transparent strategy data, you saw exactly what I saw there. I went through every single stat that they give you, whether it's a daily, weekly, monthly, or even the year. You can see how many trades they've taken, and you can see how much drawdown they're in, which obviously a lot of companies and a lot of platforms don't give you the drawdown balance, because that is where it will scare the people off. Another point is you don't need technical analysis. Everything is done by them expert traders. You don't have to do anything. It's simply nice and easy of how much win rate you really want. And a good part of this is a demo mode is available as well. Now, if we talk about the cons, because we always add the positives and the negative into this, choosing the right trader matters, okay? So you don't want a trader that has had one trade where he's made 8,000% like the one I just showed you, because that could just be a lucky day. You might be able to go for it, but his stop loss was huge. He was probably risking 100% of his balance, and you don't want that. You want someone that actually has a plan in place. Also, some risk is involved as well if not managed properly. So you do still need to have a hands-on approach by managing your stop loss, managing everything to do with the trade. However, you are risking your money in someone else's hands. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.